coffee during a commercial break, or as part of your morning routine. And the best part, gentlemen, the science truly backs this up. Studies in physical therapy and men's health have consistently shown that exercises focusing on pelvic floor strengthening and hip mobility can significantly improve erectile function. For example, a compelling meta-analysis published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine on pelvic floor muscle training for erectile dysfunction reported improvement rates ranging from 40% to an incredible 75% for men who consistently practice these types of movements. While this specific figure, 8, is a simplified, accessible version for everyone, it powerfully engages those core principles. This isn't just theory, it's a physiological truth, a natural, undeniable pathway back to your inherent power. It's about reminding your body in just 30-second show to fully reawaken its innate capacity for strong natural erections. So, with this invaluable, newfound understanding and a simple, powerful movement now a part of your toolkit, what's your practical, confident path forward? It boils down to one word: consistency. This isn't a magic trick you do once and forget. It's a subtle yet profound re-education for your body, a daily whisper to your core masculinity, truly unsticking that transmission and fortifying your foundation. First and foremost, integrate this 30-second on hip movement into your daily routine. Make it a non-negotiable part of your day. It's less than a minute, easily doable while brushing your teeth, waiting for your toast, or even standing during a phone call. Think of it not as an exercise, but as a daily ritual to connect with your inner strength. Commit to it for just 3 to 4 weeks, and I promise you'll start to feel a difference. Not just in the bedroom, but in your overall sense of groundedness, energy, and physical freedom. Next, and this is truly crucial, for deepening every layer of your confidence, pair this physical practice with mental and emotional well-being. True vitality isn't just physical, it's a holistic dance. Continue to prioritize open, honest communication with your partner. Share your journey, your progress, and your renewed sense of hope. Remember, her connection to you runs deeper than just physical performance. Cultivate healthy habits, a balanced diet, adequate sleep, and finding joy in everyday life. These are all critical natural boosters for your entire system, including your intimate health. It's about profoundly understanding that you possess an incredible innate ability to heal, to strengthen, and to revive your potential. You don't need external fixes for every challenge. What truly matters is a belief in your body's power, coupled with simple, consistent actions. When you consistently perform this movement, you're not just moving your hips, you're telling your body, your mind, and your spirit that you are ready to reclaim your full, vibrant, and deeply connected self. You're rediscovering the powerful, confident man you've always been and always will be. Gentlemen, you now possess a truly empowering piece of knowledge, a natural path to ignite your intimate vitality. This isn't just about fixing a problem. It's about transforming your entire approach to life, liberating you from old fears and uncertainties, allowing you to embrace profound pleasure and authentic intimacy in its fullest, most uninhibited form. Remember, the true essence of masculinity, especially as we mature and gain wisdom, lies not in brute strength or unwavering silence, but in our wisdom, our capacity for deep understanding, our profound respect for our partner, and our courage to explore natural, powerful solutions. This knowledge isn't just for you. It's a priceless gift to your relationship, an invaluable invitation to a more honest, more passionate, and ultimately a more deeply connected, intimate life. It allows you to feel stronger, more vibrant, and more authentically present than ever before. So, here's my ultimate challenge to you. First, internalize this truth. Your body holds incredible natural power. Trust it and give it what it needs. Second, commit to just 30 seconds a day of this simple hip movement. Don't overthink it, just do it. And third, approach your next intimate moment with newfound confidence, profound presence, and a deep, adventurous spirit, knowing you're both fully informed, deeply connected, and truly cherished. If this candid, empowering advice resonated deeply with you, if you're truly ready to deepen your intimate life and reclaim an even more profound level of confidence and connection, then you know exactly what to do. Subscribe to Vitality Health 101 right now for more doctor insights into natural vitality and robust living. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next essential video, where I'll dive into the surprising impact of mindful breathing on boosting your natural testosterone levels. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts, your experiences, or what you found most illuminating in today's profound discussion. Your invaluable insights truly help build this vibrant and supportive community for all of us. Until next time, this is Dr. Christina Morgan reminding you that true vitality flourishes in understanding, consistent action, and fearless natural exploration. Stay strong, stay curious, and continue to deepen your most cherished connections. Gentlemen, for too long, many of you have believed that a strong, dependable erection after 50, 60, or even 70 is just a distant memory, a quiet, unspoken frustration that chips away at your confidence and connection. You might think it's just getting older, an inevitable part of the game. You might even have tried everything from pills to various supplements, only to feel that familiar sense of disappointment or worry about side effects. But what if it told you there's a shockingly simple 30C second-on hip movement, something a urologist like me has seen revitalizement even at 80, that can bring back that youthful firmness and unwavering confidence? No prescriptions, no side effects, just pure natural male power. This isn't a miracle. It's forgotten biology. Stay with me, because your intimate life is about to change forever. Now, before we reveal this incredibly simple yet powerful movement, I want to hear from you. Have you ever felt that frustration, that quiet resignation, wondering if you'd ever feel that strong, confident spark in intimacy again? Go ahead, gentlemen. Take a moment. Share your thoughts, your experiences, or even just a yes or no in the comments below right now. Let's build a community where we can speak openly about these vital aspects of men's health. I'll be reading every comment, and your input truly helps shape these important discussions. All right, let's pull back the curtain on this simple secret. After talking about how our foundations can get a bit stiff and our transmission stuck, you're probably wondering, okay, Dr. Christina, what is this 30-second movement that can revitalize men even at 80? It's called the Pelvic Tilt and Sway, or you can think of it as a gentle hip figure 8. And it's truly remarkable because it directly speaks to those overlooked areas we just discussed, waking up dormant power within you. This is the forgotten biology I was talking about. This isn't about complex yoga poses or straining at the gym. This is about consciously engaging and liberating a specific set of muscles and the surrounding connective tissues in your pelvic region and hips. Let me break down in simple terms how this small movement can spark such a profound change. It's like reactivating your deep core ignition switch, starting with your pelvic floor. Your pelvic floor muscles, especially the pubococcygeus or PC muscle, act like a gentle internal trampoline. They support your organs, and critically, they're the ones that help clamp down on the veins that allow blood to fill and then get trapped in the penile tissue, which is essential for a firm, lasting erection. When you perform this hip movement, you're gently, almost subconsciously, engaging and strengthening these often forgotten muscles. It's not about big, hard squeezes. It's about subtle, consistent awakening, reminding those muscles how to do their job naturally and efficiently. Next, it's about clearing the pathways for peak performance. Think about those vital blood vessels that carry life-giving flow to your most intimate parts. When your hips are tight, when your glutes are stiff from years of sitting, they can actually restrict the free flow of blood. This gentle hip movement acts like a smooth oiling, helping to loosen up those tight areas, encouraging a more robust, unrestricted delivery of oxygen-rich blood that's absolutely crucial for initiating and maintaining an erection. We're simply making it easier for nature to take its course. Then we connect the wires for clear communication. Your erections aren't just a plumbing issue. They're a complex symphony of nerve signals. The crucial nerves that control erectile function run right through your pelvic region and can be affected by tension and stiffness in your hips and lower back. By mobilizing your hips in this gentle flowing manner, you help promote nerve health and ensure clearer, uninterrupted communication between your brain and your most intimate parts. It's like ensuring all the lights are green on the highway, allowing for a swift, natural response. And finally, it's a natural stress detox and hormone boost. Any form of gentle, mindful movement helps reduce cortisol, the notorious stress hormone that acts like an invisible barrier to your natural performance. Simultaneously, this subtle engagement subtly supports your body's natural testosterone production. It's a holistic nudge towards better balance, contributing to your overall malevitality and confidence. So, how exactly do you perform this game-changing 30-second hip figure 8 movement? It's wonderfully simple. Stand tall, feet shoulder-width apart, hands gently resting on your hips or stomach. Find your balance. Slightly bend your knees. This is the secret sauce, gentlemen. It unlocks your hips and lets them move freely. Now imagine you're drawing a smooth figure 8, an infinity symbol, with your hips. Start by moving your right hip forward and slightly to the side, then smoothly transition to your left hip, doing the same. Creating a continuous flowing motion with your lower body. Focus on smooth circular motions. Don't force it. Don't push past comfort. It's a gentle rhythmic sway, like a slow dance. Lightly engage your core. Just a tiny squeeze to support your lower back, but truly let your hips lead the dance. Breathe deeply and smoothly throughout the movement. Let your breath deepen the relaxation. Perform this for just 30 seconds, once or twice a day. You can effortlessly weave it into your day while waiting for your